Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗃 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. On the daily chart, crude oil has sustained the resistance of the downward sloping trend line and have formed a negative candle. Prices should breach the resistance of 7,200 to resume the bullish move. However, if the prices fail to sustain above the mentioned level, we could expect the prices to move towards the level of 6950 and 6850, which is the 20 exponential moving average. The RSI reverts from the overbought zone of the oscillator to support an intermediate correction in the bullish move. While the prices could be traded with a sell on rise strategy until the prices sustain below the level of 7200, which could negate the bearish move. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a sideways to negative bias for the day. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.